Ker moram imeti zadnjo besedo, oziroma si jo bom vzela, naj se najprej na koncu te dvodnevne konference, ko smo strnili organizacijske in znanstvene moči, naj se najprej seveda opravičim za vdor, ki smo ga doživeli, in se zahvalim tudi jaz doktor Seručniku za hitro in uspešno reakcijo. Kot rečeno, ponovno se zahvaljujem in danes zadnjič vsem udeležencem, soorganizatorjem in poslušalcem in vas vabim, da se udeležimo tudi nadaljnjih dogodkov ob 200-letnici Ljubljanskega kongresa. V Dolu pri Ljubljani bodo že 16. maja odkrili doprsni tip barona Jožefa Kalasanca Erberga in v Mestnem muzeju Ljubljana razstavo Ljubljanski kongres 1821, ki jo posvečajo, kot rečeno, 200-letnici Ljubljanskega kongresa. Obenem se bo znanstveno-kritični izdaji monografije Vladimirja Šenka Ljubljanski kongres pridružila še angleška izdaja uvodne študije, seveda izpod peresa dr. Rahtana, in nekaterih izbranih študij o diplomatskih vidikih Ljubljanskega kongresa, ki bo predstavljala tudi protokolarno darilo o predsedovanju Republike Slovenije Svetu Evropske unije. Še enkrat hvala za sodelovanje in posluh, ostanite zdravi in pazite nase ter na druge. As I have to have the final say, I would like to apologize once again for this unpleasant attack on our conference, and particularly I want to apologize to Karin Schneider. I don't think I would be able to proceed with my paper if I would have been in her situation. So thank you very much, Karin, for keeping on. So the organizers of the conference had some more ambitious plan for the anniversary year, which we have entitled Congress After the Congress, not just the conference, but the whole year. But the pandemic has forced us to rethink the events and reduce the plans. Nevertheless, we have managed to publish a reprint of the Slovenian study of the Congress, namely Vladimir Šenk's The Congress of Ljubljana, published in 1944, with a critical study by Andrej Rahten. The latter, together with some other texts, will also be published in an English version and will be a part of the protocol gifts during the Slovenian presidency of the Council of the EU. Other activities will mark the important anniversary. A bust of Count Erdberg will be erected in Dol by Ljubljana, which was visited by the Austrian Emperor, and this visit will also be presented in an exhibition. The other exhibition, the 1821 Congress of Ljubljana, will open in Ljubljana City Museum on June 17, 2021, and will portray Ljubljana's moments in the spotlight. So, if you avoid the virus and meet the bureaucratic requirements to enter Slovenia, you are welcome to visit Ljubljana at any time. So thank you all for coming and participating. We are being honored by the presence of experts in the field of diplomatic history and the history of the Holy Alliance. Thank you once again. Stay well and stay safe.